Welcome to a speaking practice video. Now, in today's video, we are going to be having a conversation. You and I are going to have a conversation, and it's all around small talk. With, like you would talk with your friends and other people. I know how difficult it is for someone like yourself to be able to find someone to practice their English with. My students have the same problem. So I create these videos for my students so they can get some practice in at home, after work, lunch break, blah, 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 anytime they like. So let me tell you about how this video is going to work. It's, as I said, it's about small talk. And first, you will hear me and somebody else talking. Now, I want you to listen to both sides of the conversation, okay? Then, in part 2, one side of the conversation will be muted and the words will come up on the screen. Now, I will say my part and I want you to read and say your part, speak out loud. So we are having a conversation. I'll say something and then you return. So we're having a conversation, okay? Now, in part 3, we swap roles. So you now say the part I was saying and I will say the part you were saying. And then we'll come to the end of the conversation. It's a very, very fast conversation and it doesn't take very long, but it's good daily practice for speaking. Okay, so we'll get on with the first part, and the first part is listening. Ready? So let's start the conversation. Hey, it's good to see you. How have you been?
Hi, I've been good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just busy with work. And what about you?
Same here. Work has been hectic lately.
I know the feeling. Are you doing anything fun this weekend?
I might go hiking if the weather's nice. What about you?
That sounds great. I'm thinking about trying a new cafe that's just opened.
Oh, I heard about that. Let me know if it's good.
I will. By the way, have you seen the new movie everyone's talking about?
Not yet, but I want to. Have you?
Yes, it's really good. You should definitely check it out.
I'll add it to my list. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Anyway, I've got to run, but let's catch up again soon.
For sure. Take care.
You too. Bye. Hey, it's good to see you. How have you been? Not bad. Just busy with work. And what about you? I know the feeling. Are you doing anything fun this weekend? That sounds great. I'm thinking about trying a new cafe that's just opened. I will. By the way, have you seen the new movie everyone's talking about? Yes, it's really good. You should definitely check it out. No problem. Anyway, I've got to run, but let's catch up again soon. You too. Bye. Hi. I've been good. Thanks. How about you? Same here. Work has been hectic lately. I might go hiking if the weather's nice. What about you? Ah, I heard about that. Let me know if it's good. Not yet, but I want to. Have you? I'll add it to my list. Thanks for the recommendation. For sure. Take care. And congratulations, you have now finished the video. Well done, well done. And glad to see you at the end of the video. And make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and you will not miss our next video. And our next video will be coming out tomorrow. And we've got something special coming out, I think the day after. But the next few days there'll be some more videos coming out for your practice, so you can improve your English every single day. So it's bye for now and catch you later. Bye bye.